In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment to a company record in HubSpot. This is a fundamental skill that can enhance your ability to manage company details efficiently within the HubSpot CRM. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the main HubSpot portal. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to access the user guide section. This is the area where all CRM-related activities primarily kick off. HubSpot's user guide offers a comprehensive overview of its features, making it an excellent starting point for our task today. Next, navigate to the CRM section. This is the heart of HubSpot's management system, where all your customer relationship data is stored and managed. Clicking here will direct you to a dashboard teeming with valuable information, paving the way for you to manage your contacts, companies, and sales activities seamlessly. Once in the CRM, your next move is to click on Companies. This section houses all the data relevant to the businesses you interact with. By clicking this, you're taking a step closer to organizing your attachments efficiently within specific company records. Keep in mind that well-structured company data is vital for effective communication and follow-up activities. After you've clicked on Companies, HubSpot will guide you to a list where you'll need to pinpoint the specific company record that requires an attachment. Here, look for the HubSpot identifier and click on it to enter the company's detailed page. This detailed view is where you can perform a variety of tasks, including adding notes, setting reminders, and of course, attaching files. Inside the company view, you'll find the option to add an attachment. Click on this option to trigger a file selection prompt. This is where you'll be able to browse through your computer files to find the appropriate document, image, or file you wish to attach. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a significant impact by ensuring all essential documents are within easy reach whenever you need to review or share them with your team. Finally, once you've attached your file, take a moment to ensure that everything is in order. Double-check that the correct file is attached and that it is visible to others who may access this company record. This final check helps maintain the accuracy and relevance of your CRM data, promoting smoother workflows and informed decision-making. And with that, you've successfully added an attachment to a company record in HubSpot. This simple yet powerful action ensures crucial documentation is systematically stored and accessible, significantly boosting your productivity and teamwork capabilities. Thanks for following along, and remember to keep exploring HubSpot's features to fully leverage its potential for your business needs.